This is Chris Roshnut, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Today I'll be unboxing the Huawei Watch GT2 46mm with leather strap. So this is the non-cellular version right here, going inside the box. They also have a silicone strap if you prefer, also included, so that's a nice option. I like the ceramic double crown. It also has stainless steel. Now it's booting up. Underneath, you'll see the heart rate sensors and other sensors that they have. This has GPS included with GLONASS, GPS, and one other one. Most non-cellular smartwatches don't come with GPS, but this has triple GPS. So you pick your language and then you can pair it to your phone. So that's the watch. Go further inside the box. And like I said, it comes with the silicone straps. So if you want that instead of the leather, you can definitely have that. We like that this has a lot of cool different faces, which you'll find on the Instagram post. I'll put a link to that in the comments description section. And then going further inside the box, you have the wireless charger, which is right here. It's a wireless charging plate. Looks like it has contacts though, so it might be a wired charging plate after all. Then inside this box, or little baggie, we have the USB Type-C charging cable. That's what plugs into right here on this disc. And this comes with several apps, which also you'll be able to see on the Instagram post. And it comes with some pretty good documentation right here on how to use it. Warranty card and other information, different languages. So there you go. This is the Huawei Watch GT2 46mm. It has a bunch of apps. You can connect it to the iPhone, which I did, or Android devices. It works best though with the Huawei phones, and this is the 46mm version. Watch GT2. Thank you.